If you're a content creator and you edit your videos inside of Premiere Pro, you know how long the editing process can be, especially when it comes to cutting out all those bad takes, repeats, and mess ups in your raw footage. So that's why in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use Claude AI inside of Premiere Pro. And make sure to stick to the end because I'm gonna be teaching you a way to get a bunch of free credits to get this AI Claude plugin completely for free for 1 month. Without further ado, let's learn how to edit 10 times faster with Claude in Premiere. All right, guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro right now. I got this footage of me doing an interview for my content. I do this format where I teach people how to edit videos, and I do these like crazy contrasts. Like the other day, I taught a monk how to edit on Premiere Pro. I taught a chef how to cook in Premiere Pro, and so forth. Anyways, as usual though, in my footage, in my raw recordings, I have a lot of mess ups, repeats, and mistakes. Like you can see there's some parts where I'm like, oh, I messed up. Let me do that line again. So what I'm gonna be using, instead of cutting this out manually, I'm gonna be opening up our Claude plugin, which is called AutoEdit Creator Mode. So you go to Window, Extensions, and click AutoEdit, and boom, just like that, the plugin pops up. Now this is a free to download, and download it completely for free and try it out. As I promised, if you stick throughout this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to get a bunch of more free credits for this plugin. To get this plugin, you go to autoeditai.net. It's a website linked down below in the description. You download the plugin, completely free to try out, like I said, and you hit Creator Mode. And now in Creator Mode, it'll take you to this tab where you can literally type what your video is about. It's really cool. You can type like, "This is an interview. Please cut out all the bad takes and repeats. Make it make sense," right? And I can even say stuff like, "Also cut the silences," right? And it's honestly really impressive. So then I could come over here and I can choose the model size. So I'm going to choose the ultra model size, which is basically like the Claude Opus 4.7 model, I believe. And I hit process. And now what it's going to do is it's going to export my audio from my timeline. So it's going to take my timeline audio, and then it's going to send it to the cloud, and it's going to transcribe my video. And then from there, it's going to go ahead and determine what are the bad takes. Like what are the takes that we want to keep? What are the takes that we want to cut? And so forth. This part may take a couple minutes to load, so you can go ahead and focus on another part of your edit, or maybe you can just go get food, chill, scroll TikTok, whatever you want.
A few moments later.
And boom, just like that, it is now done loading. And as you can see, it's automatically cutting out all the bad takes for us in our timeline live. Look at this go. My hands are up here. My hands are up here, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. Pause. But look at this. Isn't this super cool? Like it's literally thinking based on the transcript of our video and like what we said. And it's like, oh, is this part relevant? What is this video topic about? And then from there, it's going to go ahead and just cut out all those bad takes for us. And the cool thing is it'll actually take us to a page where we can review the decisions that Claude actually made. So then that way it won't have to go ahead and just cut things that we would keep or would not keep and so forth. And boom, just like that, it is now done. And now we can go ahead and see the preview of all the bad takes it decided to keep and cut. So you can see, look at this, all these words like no text, basically. So it already decided. It's like, I'm gonna cut these are bad. And then this part right here, which is the actual line, is like, what I made is an AI plugin and it automatically edits videos with AI. It even knew to cut the basically, which is super cool. So you just push one button and it will automatically edit your YouTube videos, like content. And you can see it's like I said, yeah. Like this is the part where I'm just talking to the interviewee. I'm not even talking to the camera yet. So it knows to cut this, which is really cool because I would have to go in and rewatch all this footage myself. You guys know, you do this with your own content. Like it automatically edits in one click. And so honestly, I'm just doing a really quick rough pass to see if it missed anything, but it really did a pretty good job. And if there is a line that you would want to keep, you can just literally click it and you can hit keep and it'll manually update it. And the cool thing is it's going to update Claude's memory. So it's like, oh, Devin kept this type of line last time in the edit. So the next time I'll keep that in mind so I can be better and improve, which is really cool because it learns on the go. And as you edit more videos, it becomes more up to your style of editing. So then once you're done, you literally just hit apply all, and then boom, just like that, it cuts out all the bad takes for us. Boom, done. Just like that. Look at that. Let's go.
We're in Thailand. My name is Devin Nguyen. I'm here with what I made is an
That
AI
is so crazy. It's already decided to cut out all these bad parts.
edits videos with AI, so it just automatically edits in one click. You simply upload all your raw.
That is so wild. So basically, it just gives us a really cool rough cut. And the coolest thing is that it doesn't even stop there. You can go ahead and add captions now. So because it already transcribed everything, you might as well just go and add captions. This is nothing like super crazy or any crazy AI features, I'll admit, but it's still cool the fact that you can do this inside of the AutoEdit plugin. So you don't have to jump from the AutoEdit plugin to another plugin or to the Premiere Pro dashboard. You can literally just go ahead and add captions directly in Premiere. And then once you're done with picking a style, you can customize it and stuff. You can go ahead and change like the size of it. You can go ahead and change the style and color. And then once you're done, you literally just hit generate captions and boom, just like this, it will automatically go ahead and apply captions throughout our entire timeline for us. Boom, automatic captions. Look at that, 25 captions added on our timeline. Now let's play it out.
It automatically edits videos with AI, so it just automatically edit.
That is so crazy.
You simply upload all your raw footage.
That is insane, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We got a full short form reel already edited for us. Obviously, I did some really trashy style captions, but you can customize them to whatever you want. Mr. Bozy, Alex Hermosi, Mr. Beast, or Mr. Bozy if you want. Let me know what you guys think about this plugin. As I promised, I'm going to be telling you how you can get a bunch of free credits for this plugin. So as of the time of the recording, which is May 19, 2026. So this plugin is currently in beta phase and it's a beta plugin, but on May 29th, it will be rising to Sigma Alpha Male status, and it will be or female, it can be a female too. And it will be releasing on Product Hunt. And what we'll be doing is we'll give away a free month. So that's basically 90 minutes of processing. So 90 minutes of processing credits completely for free. So whether you're editing podcasts, YouTube videos, short form content, you can like put that in the plugin and automatically cut out all the bad takes for you and give that rough cut for free for 90 minutes. So a full free month. And all you literally have to do is go to our Product Hunt link in the description and you have to upvote, and you just upvote our Product Hunt, which we're going to be releasing on May 29th. So May 29th, 2026 is our big drop day. We're going to be releasing this plugin fully. It's going to be coming out of beta status into a Sigma Alpha plugin. Bro, I swear it's going to be aura maxing, because basically this plugin already saves me about like at least 12 hours a week of editing, because how many hours I've spent like, cutting out just bad takes of my raw YouTube recordings. And then now I can send this to my editors and they don't have to waste time cutting out the bad takes, so they can actually spend the time like focusing on the creative parts of the edits, adding visual effects and presets. And on top of that, I completely forgot to mention, it comes with a free editing preset pack when you download it. So there's a bunch of like Moger animations, captions, visual graphic styles. I'll show you what they look like. Inside of Premiere, you'll get this free Moger pack. So you can literally just go ahead and drag like custom animations onto your timeline, just like that. And it'll make everything super cool and custom. Look at this. Like, we got some cool Premiere Pro icon animations. We can go ahead and scale this down and customize this to whatever logo we want. It's really cool. Like, I'm telling you, we really put a lot of time and effort in this. We really made this plugin specifically for content creator video editors. Please check it out, sign up, and if you upvote our product and comment on our Product Hunt launch on May 29th, 2026, you'll get a free month of credits. So put that in your calendars. If you're watching this before May 29th, 2026, put that in your calendars. If you upvote it literally on that day, you'll get a free month of processing credits. And even if you're watching it after, if you still go in and upvote it, we'll still give you a discount for the plugin. So just sign up, check out the link in the description, download the plugin completely for free, get the free editing preset pack, edit your videos 10 times faster. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Now, if you want to learn how you can automatically edit event recap videos using AI, then you can check out this video linked right here.